Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlock the home stadium. I made this video for beginner, for new into this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you can select time of day, weather, and also the stadium of your home base. Let's get started by tap the play button. So there are three features here in Division Rival. Please select one of them. For example, I'm selecting manager mode. This one, home stadium. Tap the home stadium, and as you can see there are some stadium here. You can unlock one by one. For example, this one by progressing in the star pass. So you can select cloudy, day, dusk, even at night by progressing in the star pass. This is you have to type the information here, and also another stadium. This is the detailed information here. You can learn about it. So the point is you have to progressing in the star pass by playing more the event of this game. So I just got one Stadium Olympic Night, and select, and it's become my home stadium in manager mode. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.